What's up guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. So in this video we're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be racing my G35. So a buddy of mine has a G35 Coupe and he has a couple mods on it, and I just want to see where mine is in comparison to his, just kind of see where both of the cars are. And the reason for it is because in the future videos I'm going to be installing a 370Z Nismo differential, so I kind of want to see where this car is right now and then have a comparison afterwards with the new diff and be able to see if it makes a difference or if it does. So I'm waiting for him right now to just come here, and then from there we'll take a couple pictures and then we'll also just go and race. I'll put all the mods on screen right now just because I don't know them from the top of my head. I've done a couple. This should be an interesting comparison. It's manual against automatic. So today I'm gonna have my driver mod tested. I'm not sure how good I am. This is all just for fun entertainment for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this. So this is how the G35 stands right now. I haven't washed it in a bit just because it's been raining, so today's like the first day it actually is clear. G35 is going to be getting a 370Z Nismo differential, so I'm excited for that. That's probably going to be one of the biggest mods I've done to it so far. Just helps with acceleration. You do sacrifice obviously top speed, but I'm not going to be hitting like 150 on this car anytime soon, and since it is NA, that's probably one of the best things I can do to this car to wake it up.
Alright, so this is my 2006 Infiniti G35 Coupe. Basically, the mods that I have is the plenum spacer, the
5/16.
Oh, 5/16, yeah. I have a engine intake, cool air intake.
It's an actual cold air, not like the ones that are right there like mine.
Yeah, you can take this lower pipe and then you can be at like a short ram. 75mm throttle body.
Obviously, you got the big baller exhaust,
Oh, yeah,
the Motordyne.
Shockwave.
He also has it wrapped in matte black. He's got the Spec Ds. It's the first time seeing it in person and I really like it.
Satin black, actually.
Oh, it's satin black.
Satin
I
black.
thought it was matte black.
No, it's satin black. That's
Oh,
right.
we have similar mods. Should be pretty even. Now the only difference is automatic and then this one's manual. So driver mod for me, really, if I can pull it off. That was really close. I didn't expect it. Yeah. That was good. I think it's a lot of driver mod too. I'm just not that good at driving. The family just stared at us. They're like, what the fuck?
Oh no, we were just there like just holding traffic.
Hey, on you! That was really close.
It was pretty close, honestly.
Yeah. Somehow I got you in the top end. I don't know how. I don't know what mod I have that makes it better top end. But yeah, you get me mid-range for sure.
Yeah, mid-range for sure.
Damn. Badass picture right here.
Yep.
Damn. What's happening? Oh, it's the Golf. Okay. Another 40 roll on you. Ah, it was a slow shift. Now we have a baseline of how fast the car is comparison to Brandon's G35, and obviously for you guys, you know, you get to see some races, you get to see a little bit of different content, so it all works out. I'm not the best at shifting quick, so it's still a learning curve for me, but it was fun. It was really fun. Final thoughts? Pretty close?
Yeah, it was pretty close. It was pretty close.
Dude,
honestly.
I'm excited for the future. Once you get mods on yours and I put like the diff and all the other ones, we'll be able to go back and forth. And we have similar mods. It's Basically the same
pretty,
car.
yeah.
There you guys have it. Go ahead and give Brandon a follow on Instagram so you can check out his build, and we'll be able to see more of this beautiful beast. Thank you to Brandon for coming out, doing some runs with me. It was really cool. If you guys enjoy this type of content, leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'll do plenty more of these, trust me. This is fun to make. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and like this video if you did enjoy it. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.